Hi friends, welcome to Ganesh Chaturthi special video. Today we are going to make badam milk. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for badam milk are milk, almond, sugar, cardamom powder, saffron, cashew and almond. Take 15 to 20 pieces of almonds. You all can either soak it in water for 5 to 6 hours or then heat it in water for 15 to 20 minutes and then remove the skin. In this, we are going to add around 2 to 3 tablespoon milk and then just blend it to make a paste. Almond paste is ready. Now we will move on to the next step. First, we will take 450 ml of milk and let it boil till it reduces half in quantity. Once the milk is half in its quantity, we will add the almond paste. In that, we will add around 2 to 3 tablespoons sugar. I have used Castor Sugar, you all can use the normal sugar. And the sugar quantity will vary according to your taste. Now we will add few strands of saffron, some crushed cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon chopped cashew and 1 tablespoon chopped almonds. Now just let it boil for another 5 minutes. I've allowed it to boil for 5 minutes. Now we will allow it to cool down and then chill for another 2 hours. Serve it cold. This is ready. Our badam milk is ready. I hope you all like it. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all my viewers, and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.